Yes, girls. Am I audible, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, good morning, all of you, and welcome to the online classes once again. Yes. So, today's thought everyone might have seen in the group, right? What
Ma'am,
it
can I
is?
give today's throat?
Say better.
Yes, ma'am. Today's thought is winning. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you're done before.
Hmm. Means?
Ma'am, can I explain the
Can I know your good name?
Insia Bora?
Hi, Shabora.
Doesn't always mean being first. Means हमेशा winning ही
Hello. Hello. Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You're not audible. Speak properly.
Ma'am, I am Fatima Bahajaj.
Say Fatima Bajaj properly.
Okay. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you done.
Hmm. Means what? Winning does not always mean. What does it always does not mean, better? Hello?
Ma'am, can I explain?
Yes, of course you can speak.
Winning doesn't always mean being first. Means जीतने कोई हमेशा फर्स्ट आना नहीं कहते हैं. जीतने का मतलब होता है कि हमने पहले से बेहतर किया है.
Hmm. Yes. Always, in your life, what you say? Yeah, I won the match. I won the tournament. I won the race. I got the highest mark. I got the lowest mark, and all this type of statements you give in your life to yourself, right? But what does it mean? It does not always mean being first, है ना? Always first होना ही meaning नहीं है उसका. But winning means you are doing better than you have done before, है ना? जो आपने पहले first time में you won't even get success. Yes, yes or no? But in the second time when you keep on trying, yes, you may get success as well as you may win also, right?
Yes.
Yes. So always winning does not mean being first. फर्स्ट ही आना विनिंग नहीं कहते. बट विनिंग मीन्स जो भी विन करता है उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि दैट पर्सन is continuously trying to do more better, right? To do more better than before, right or no?
Right.
Yes. So whenever you win something, you should not sit idle, right? You should keep on working hard for the other attempts also as well, right? Chalo. So who has completed yesterday the fair book? Fair books.
Yes, ma'am. My
Yesterday,
class is
yesterday
complete.
I sent, but I sent very late, so you might have not written in your fair book. But by today, write down, okay, lesson number 4 notes in your fair book.
Okay. Okay.
Yesterday, I was busy with some work, so at last at night I wrote, shared some pictures and so that you people can write down whenever you are free. Okay, but see that you complete your fair books by today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, girls? Girls, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Chalo. Now, we'll start today's class with the, we have started with the prayer. Now we will start with the lesson. Right? Which lesson we were doing, beta? Yesterday, yesterday, beta, I have also shared the textbook PDF. Everyone knows that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So questions are already mentioned in the textbook. Okay.
Okay.
Girls, yes. Lesson number 4,
Yes.
dignity of labor. Right? In this we saw about Vinita's family. Right? How it was upset because the servant had not come to work. So servant is what type of person? Yes, they are also helper to us. Same as same we saw about the others like in Chennai, dustbins and corridors were not cleaned. So Mrs. Kumar was wondering why everything is so much dirty. So again, there also the cleaners are the helpers to us, right? Then we saw in Kolkata, Mr. Bhattacharya and his family where family feel the colony has become unsafe. Why? Why so? Because the security guard has had not come. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So they feel unsafe. Right? So same is same. All the people face some or the other difficulties when the helpers around us are not present, right? When they are not available. Yes or no, beta? If one
Yes.
day, yes, if one day servant does not come at your house, so much problem your mother will face. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this way we saw. Then we saw about dignity of labor, right? People who sweep the roads, clean the sewage lines, or repair the shoes, right, are as important in our lives as engineers, doctors, right? Hmm. Or you can say any occupation जैसे डॉक्टर्स इम्पोर्टेंट है जैसे इंजीनियर्स इम्पोर्टेंट है वैसे ही ये सारे पीपल भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लाइफ में राइट सो दे शुड बी एड्रेस रिस्पेक्टफुली never look down on the occupations of others right they should never be looked down right so this is what is dignity of labor we should take care of them right we should respect them right we should keep ourselves engaged in different occupations why as you know but all occupations are equally important okay all occupations are equally important some see some are engaged in good offices some are also engaged in cleaning those good offices so everyone should be given equal importance right so we saw this then we saw about the we can help them. Girls, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How we could
Yes, ma'am.
uh, how we could help them, help the cleaners, help the the people who are around us, how we can help them, right? Then we'll see today who cares. Yes, about Mahatma Gandhi ji we will see. Okay, so we'll read this passage. Who will like to read?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
read?
can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can
I
I
read?
read? Yeah.
Can I body wala
Ma'am,
Maria?
can I read
Ma'am, can I
Malada
read
Aisha?
Lisa?
Body wala, body wala, bolo body wala.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Who
read
cares?
Keshwan.
Has anyone ever tried to make a difference in the lives of these people? The answer is yes. In our country, there have been great leaders who have specially tried to help the downtrodden. Many people are making similar efforts even today. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was one of them. He believed that everyone is equal. He also believed that everyone should take pride in doing their own work. He said that this was the only way everyone should become equal. He was led by example. He did everything that he asked others to do. Read on. Gandhiji wanted people to respect others for the work they did. He also felt that people would appreciate them only if they had to do the same work themselves. So he made sure that in his uh, ashram everyone
Ashram.
did everyone did the work, including cleaning the toilets themselves. Many people did not like this. Some got so angry that they left the ashram. Even Gandhiji's wife, Kas- Kastuba,
Kasturba. Kasturba.
Kasturba, doing the manual jobs on their own. It was then that they really realized that one does not lose dignity by doing work.
Manual work.
They manual work. They became self-dependent. The sad truth, however, is that people like Gandhiji alone cannot change society even today. There are lakhs of people who are looked down upon due to their occupation. Manual scavengers are one of them.
Morning. Scavengers.
Scavengers are one of them. They collect garbage from dustbins and from outside.
Yes, very good. So, what is about Gandhiji? You know, has anyone tried to make a difference in the lives of these people? Yes, the answer is yes. These people means which people we are talking here about? Anyone has any idea? We are talking about the people who are working for us, right? Like Deepa Kumari, who maintain cleanliness in the colony, right? Who are the garbage collector, who are the sewage cleaners. એટલે મીન્સ ગટર સાફ જે કરતા હોય એ તો એ લોકો માટે કોઈ કામ કર્યું છે? Has anyone worked till date? Yes, of course. Who has worked? Our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and many others, right? In our country, there have been great leaders who have specially tried to help downtrodden. Many people are making similar efforts even today. आज भी अलग अलग लोग different different efforts डाल रहे हैं to help them, clean them, to make their status in the society, right? Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was one of them. Who was one of them? Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, right? He was one of them. He believed that everyone is equal. He also believed that everyone should take pride in doing their work, own work. मतलब कि प्राइड, हमें प्राइड होना चाहिए कि नहीं मैंने अपना काम खुद किया। बुक कंप्लीट की बात नहीं हो रही है, यहाँ पे क्लीनलीनेस की बात हो रही है, राइट? वी शुड फील प्राइड कि यस आई हैव डन माय वर्क माई सेल्फ, राइट? So this type,
Yes.
yes, this type of pride everyone should have. Like if you are cleaning, if you are cleaning your toilets and bathrooms, that does not mean it's bad thing. It's good thing. You should feel pride. कि yes, I clean my toilets and bathrooms. So I am doing some work which is very proudful, right? Which is very good. No work is small. No work is big, right? He also believed that everyone should take pride in doing their own work. He said that this was the only way everyone will become equal. He always led by example. He always gave some examples. And you know what type of examples he gave? He did everything that he asked others to do. मतलब के जो others को बोलते थे गांधी जी करने के लिए, वो खुद भी करते थे, right? So we should feel really pride of doing our work. Yes, yes, beta. Insha, read beta.
Ma'am, can I read Keshwani Fatima?
Insha is there. Insha is there.
No, ma'am.
मैम वो
हाँ बेटा.
इंसिया इंसिया फातिमा और इंसिया बोहरा।
Insha Fatima.
ओके मैम। हैज anyone ever tried to make a difference in the life of these people? The answer is yes. In our country, there have been great leaders who has who has
Dita, you are not audible. In another Insha.
Ma'am, can I Keshwani
Ma'am,
Fatima?
can I read Fatima Bajaj?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Fat.
can I Malada Aisha?
Yes, Malada Insha, you read beta. You are on good chance.
Okay, ma'am. मैम पहली लाइन से ना।
Yes, beta. She was not
Okay.
audible, na?
Yes. Has anyone ever tried to make a difference in the lives
नहीं,
of these
lives ही बोलते
people?
हैं बेटा.
Lives of these people. The answer is yes. In our country, there have been great leaders who have specially tried to help the down to, downtrodden,
Downtrodden.
trodden, downtrodden. Many people are many people are making similar efforts
Efforts.
efforts even today. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was one of them. He believed that everyone is equal. He also believed that everyone should talk proud in doing their own work. This he said that this was the only way everyone would become equal. He always led by Mamusha करो ना
You don't have a textbook?
लाई नहीं हूँ ना
Okay.
He always led by example. He did everything that he asked others to do. Read on. Gandhi
Yes.
ji
Understood till
guided.
here, everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everyone will follow from today Gandhiji, right?
Read on. Gandhi ji wanted Gandhi ji wanted people to respect others for their work. They did. He also felt that people would appreciate them only if they had to
Appreciate
appreciate them only if they had to do some work
themselves.
themselves. So he made he made he made sure that in his ashram everyone did all work all the work all the work in conducting cleaning the toilets themselves. Many people did not like this. Some got so angry that they left the ashram. Even Gandhiji's wife Kash, Kasturba,
Kasturba.
Kasturba did not like doing this work on her on at first, but slowly everyone started doing the ma-
Menial jobs. એટલે સૌથી નાનું કામ પણ.
menial jobs on their own. It was then that they
Realize.
realized that one does not lose dignity by doing mi- mini, menial work.
Menial.
Menial work.
They
They,
become
they become self-dependent.
dependent. Yes. So Gandhiji wanted people to respect others for the work they did. है ना? जो भी काम वो करते थे और जो भी उनके लिए काम करते थे उनको रिस्पेक्ट देना गांधी जी का मेन ये था, राइट, गोल था. He also felt that people would appreciate them only if they had to do the same work. पीपल कैसे उनको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे अगर वो लोग ने सेम वर्क किया तो, राइट, राइट,
Yes,
same work themselves. So we should also try doing the same work ourselves, right, beta?
yes,
Yes.
Yes. But slowly, even Gandhiji's wife, many people did not like this. Some people got so angry that they felt they left the ashram as well. है ना? कुछ लोगों ने तो आश्रम भी छोड़ दिया इस चक्कर में, right? Even Gandhiji's wife Kasturba did not like doing this work on her own at first. पहले तो कस्तूरबा को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था अपना काम खुद से करना. हमको भी कभी कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता है, राइट, बट वी शुड डू आवर वर्क ourselves, राइट और रॉन्ग बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But slowly everyone started doing their menial jobs on their own. सारा काम खुद से करने लगे, right? It was then that they realized that one does not lose dignity by doing menial works. They become self-dependent. Okay? Clear till here, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Fatima was asking permission for reading. Read, Fatima. Revise this paragraph which I explained you.
Okay, ma'am. Fatima Bhagat, no.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I question Fatima?
okay,
Gandhi speech on
Keshwani Fatima,
Gandhiji wanted
you'll get
people
next
to
chance, okay?
respect other. Okay. Gandhiji wanted people to respect other from the work they did. They did. He also felt that people would appreciate them only if they had to do the some work himself. So he made sure. So he made sure. Ma'am, 1 minute. Huh?
हाँ, no problem.
That in this ashram, everyone
This
did all
ashram
the
nahi,
work.
in his ashram. This ashram nahi beta, in his ashram.
In his ashram, everyone did all the work. Some got so angry they sorry ma'am. Ashram, everyone did all the work, including cleaning the toilets himself. Many people did not like this. Some got so angry they
Hmm.
that they left the ashram. Even Gandhiji's wife Kasturba did not like doing the work on her own at first, but slowly everyone started doing the manual jobs on their own. On their
Menial,
own.
menial jobs એટલે શું નાના માં નાનું કામ, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
it it was it it was them that they realized that one does not lose dignity by doing
Dignity,
manual work. They become
dignity nahi,
self-dependent.
dignity.
They become self-dependent. The sad truth, however, is that people like Gandhiji alone cannot change society. Even today, there are lakhs of people who are looked down upon due to the occupation. Manual scavengers are one of them. They collect garbage from dustbin and from outside.
Very good. Who was it? Keshwani Fatima or Fatima Bajaj?
Keshwari Fatima.
Fatima,
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Hmm. Okay, no problem. Now, so this says, the sad truth, however, is that people like Gandhiji alone cannot change the society. Can Gandhiji alone change the society, beta? No, he alone cannot change the society, right? But we all, if we
Yes.
understand our duties, right, then every one of us can become Gandhiji, right? Even today, there are lakhs of people who are looked down upon due to their occupations. What do we say? कि या तो कचरा वाला छे, ना तो काम वाला छे, like that way. But according to their occupations, they should not be looked down. They should be given the respect, right? Manual scavengers are one of them. They collect garbage in dustbins and from outside. Yes. So we should give them respect. We should give them. We are not. I'm not saying that you go and daily, help them and do everything like that, because nowadays we are little careful about hygienic part. But yes, at least sometimes when you see any sweepers on the road, you should ask them for water. You should ask. Sometimes you should offer them cold drinks when they are working hard in summer. Okay, nahi? We should say them thank you that you are keeping our houses very clean.
Yes.
This type of efforts we can do, right? We cannot go daily and have them cleaning the roads, because if we do this, then the next day we will fall sick, है ना?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Huh. So instead, we should sometimes say them thank you for cleaning our streets. We should, ourselves, we should try to do this such efforts. Government is doing many efforts. The government wants to improve the working condition of manual scavengers very soon. For that purpose, it has started providing different kind of training to them
Yes.
with the use of new equipment. And this type of activity is called rehabilitation. Okay, what it is called?
Can Keshwani Fatima.
Rehab,
Yes, what is
Ma'am, can I borrow
rehabilitation.
Sneeza?
what
Ma'am,
happened,
Sorry,
beta?
ma'am.
Keshwani.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, can I borrow Sneeza?
Too
Can I
slow.
Keshwani Fatima?
हाँ बोलो बेटा, क्या हुआ?
Your voice is coming too slow.
Because so many
Yes,
mics are
ma'am.
on. No?
What's your
Because so many mics are on, no, that's why.
Ma'am, can I borrow Sneeza? Read.
Yes, Baloch, Miss, read the last paragraph which I explained.
Okay. The government wants to improve the working condition of manual scavengers very soon. For that purposes, it has
For that
started
purposes,
providing different kinds of training to them with the use of new
equipment,
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 equipment.
equipment. This is called rehabilitation.
Yes, improving the working condition in each occupation is giving a way of dignity to the others, right? Chalo, everybody understood till here? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, can I read Keshwa and Fatima?
This These question answers I have sent you yesterday, which you have to copy in your prayer book. Okay? Till
Last
here.
paragraph is left.
Okay, ma'am.
I know, beta, I'll explain it tomorrow. But right now, you understood what you have to do in homework? Girls,
Completing the
Yes,
prayer
ma'am.
book.
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
Complete that work.
Everyone has to, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
send you.
Huh?
We have
We
to
have
send
to
you.
send you
What you have to send me?
prayer book.
No, to your
Homework.
follow-up teachers you have to send, okay?
What, ma'am?
Follow-up टीचर को भेजना है आपके, okay? मुझे नहीं,
Okay, ma'am.
okay?
Okay.
Hmm. Chalo, any doubt till here,
Bye,
everyone?
ma'am. No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Everyone, please complete it today itself, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So that I will send you in your, so that I will, then I have to send you extra work also,
Okay.
okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, anyone any doubt in today's class?
Bye, ma'am. Have a
No,
nice
ma'am.
day. No, ma'am. No,
Hmm. So everyone will follow the path of Gandhiji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So what you will try to do?
We have,
Don't throw garbage
we have,
outside of the dustbin. Don't throw garbage on the roads, and
Hmm.
do and clean everything in
Hmm.
our own self.
Yes, everyone will do, right? At least
yes,
try to say thank you sometimes. Yes?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
yes.
Yes. This is how you say thank you to your teachers?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, okay. It's okay. No need to everyone to say thank you, okay? Chalo. Everyone, okay? Chalo, complete your 5 books on time and then submit it to your follow-up teacher so that we will see in the group. If follow-up teacher signs it in the group, no? Then we will see who has done and who has not done. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Chalo, bye.